The interest rate came out as expected, 5.50% basic points right here on Forex Factory. And also, if you look at the market on Euro USD, as you can see, market is coming back to the downside as expected as well within this very zone of important support. And if you look at gold chart, market move all the way upward as we see the interest rate remain unchanged, and also on the one-day chart, market is moving to the upside. So what I'm expecting right now is different, owing to the fact that interest rate is kept unchanged by Federal Reserve, and this is very important. And I'll be talking about all of these in this very video. So pay attention and watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other Forex content. On the Euro USD chart, I was talking about market still coming back to the downside for this retracement. And I'm going to tell you when this retracement ends, because what I am expecting is for this very movement, we have impulsive move upward, market retrace. We have another impulsive move, creation of a new high, and then retracement is going to continue, and then we're going to see retracement pause before continuation to the upside. This is exact same thing I am looking at. This is the scenario I'm looking at right now, and I'm going to tell you when this very retracement have ended on the one-day chart for you to take advantage of this very end of retracement, continuation of impulse, for you to ride a massive trend in the market, especially for a buy opportunity. And that is what I'm looking at right now. So we saw the interest rate yesterday kept unchanged by Fed right at this very point. So right now, still expect the market to come back down in favor of the US dollar. I talk about that if Fed kept interest rate unchanged, the dollar is going to be strong, okay? And that is what we are seeing right now on Euro USD one-day chart. So strong dollar, the market is going to move and then pause, then continuation to the upside. I'm going to update you on when this retracement have ended for a continuation to the upside. So possible area I am expecting market to end is within this very area of 1.07488 and this very zone of 1.07867. okay, within this very zone of support is where I'm expecting market to pause before continuation to the upside. Very soon, I am expecting this very retracement to end within this zone, then continuation to the upside on Euro USD one-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart, we've seen the market reacted this much on yesterday during the Fed interest rate release, and market moved up a little bit. So a breakout on this very zone is also what I am looking at. So markets have capacity of breaking out of this very level of support right here. Once you see that breakout, then the next level that market we're going to come into is this very level of resistance that will turn support on the chart. So this very area is an important level of support that market will find as market begin to move to the downside. So this very point is important right now. Pay attention to this very zone of important support is going to move down to this very zone, and the market is going to move upward if we see a breakout right here on the 4-hour chart. So this is what you also need to pay attention to. If market break here, the next level is here. And another thing you need to watch as well to confirm the end of retracement also on this chart is when we see the break out of this very trend line. Okay, so market have to break out of the trend line before we can confirm that the retracement on the one-day chart have ended. What this means is if market is coming back down as we are seeing right now, and the market come into this very point, we need to see the market move upward and break this level of important resistance. Once we see that breakout, the market is going to move upward on the one-day chart and also on the 4-hour chart Euro USD. And this is very, very possible. So what we need to do right now is to wait for the market to come down or a breakout on this level of important resistance right now that we are seeing on the chart. And on the gold chart, if you look at gold USD, if you look at it, market is moving upward. What I am expecting right now is that the market should have a move to the downside. Okay, market move upward, which is fine because after the CPI data last month, market continued to come back to the downside and then market move upward a little bit. The CPI data is not in play at the moment. What we are seeing in play is the federal fund rate. So this very level is a critical level of resistance on the chart right now. If market break here, then we're going to see the market begin to move all the way to the upside. But this market will find difficulty to break on this level of important resistance. But if a breakout happen here, market is going to continue to move to the upside. Nevertheless, market is going to from here come back down. This is possible scenario you need to pay attention to on the gold chart. And on the 4-hour chart, this very same area is also very important. This is where I am expecting the market to find retracement or pause before movement to the downside. This very zone of $2,464 and this level of $2,481. So this very level of resistance, market have capacity of moving a little bit into this very area before coming back to the downside on gold chart right at the moment. So gold, you need to be very careful trading gold right now. We need to see a good setup for a good nice trade on gold. But for Euro USD on the 1-day and 4-hour chart, what we are looking at is the market move down a little bit into this level, and once we see a breakout on this level of resistance, the market is going to continue the movement to the upside on gold. And what that means is this very retracement have ended on the 1-day chart and market is going to continue the movement upward. So pay attention to this, guys. This is very important right now on the chart, Euro USD, and also on the gold 1-day chart and also the gold 4-hour chart. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.